Your lava. You say you want to chop down the tree. The tree there. Yeah, what lava, man, tell you something. I start rub it on them hard now. The whole of me so white, you know. No white. Because we bleach in a moderation, you know, you see? So me not do, you see me, anytime you see, me are pressure the on them wicked, you know. Me tap wash off my on them. One time me rub on the cream, so now me know them are going, you see? Right. Hey! A while ago me put up sitting at me here, the whole I want to run come and talk about this butch girl. And because me see it, you know. Me may go say nothing, but then me may go say something, and then me may go say nothing. You see me I did it? So, watch you now. When me see it, but long time now something I go on in Jamaica, long time. Me not like how that make it look like say how I first when I see this. I won't leave it. Yeah, mommy, wait. Come from Philly, I be asleep, me asleep, you see me? Tired, you see? Long time them freaking, you see I go on a little soldier boy, he look a blood class and I might have whining on him with dildo. Me know said the little blood clot sad away. I put on the blood clot dildo and I should be in your body wall. Hey, you can look, you know, because you look a clip in there when me see you can see so the sad away, the man one, the butch, the stem, the butch, whatever you call that one there. The one will look like man who are getting body rubbed down. When time the one that the man one see the other man kiss the girl, him get jealous, draw the boy, suck out him tongue. On sick. Me no know who sick, if I you sick or the girl sick, but the whole of the blood clot sick, bad man. Watch you now. Because you look a femme girl, nothing more than you manipulate them two blood clot, ya media. And want to have it two of them want to fuck you. He's a little freak, boy. You don't get blood, you don't get head, you get a full blood. Mama, you're a dirty girl, mama. Mama, you're one dirty girl. Yeah. When the man feel like say some junk talk or frost talk, you know, you're a bitch, mama. Swear, all you know, look a soldier money you bring down your race. You bring Jamaica every day when you get up on a pledge this and a pledge that down there. Hey. So how you beat me? With the blood clot, this how you lick me. I what? You me never have one man a fuck me and my girl. Una pussy dog. So at that time alone, you not accept sodomite. One time you get to fuck it, two of them in them belly. It's one disgrace to the LGBT community everywhere. What is? And the whole community there right there saying, Bumbuckland, the whole community. Lesbian, bisexual, Batman, which is gay, transvestite, the whole of that are going right there, so. Because you boy you want transvestite. You boy you want transvestite and then you have the other transvestite girl lesbian one. Then the blood clot lesbian one will take you fuck and then the bisexual one will suck off your own. All of the community there, one place right there, so. Jesus Christ. Alone one broke record. From Olympics days, all on the internet, you know one broke record. Olympics not even come yet. Jesus Christ, thinking about nasty Jamaica. Hey. And then the record, hey, no way we not go see that. I forced me to see this. And the first me ever blood clot see this. Me normally see a man, they with two girl, yes. One girl one and one ex-girl one, and then they suck off you hood together and lick balls and rain. My finger two pussy one time and thing. That me know about, but at the first, me see blood clot Jamaican have one butch, Ifem, and him a one man. Una broke every record, boy. I wanna beat me. So when me come here, wanna beat. Oh, hey, I ugly sir. I ugly me bumbo clad ugly sir. Come, DMs, bring me lighter, come here. I can't ugly me ugly. God, the whole blood clot community, they right there so straight, bisexual, The whole LGBT, you if you have a flag over on your face at all time to pussy clot. Wrap up. I see him, so what do you? Then did have one nether, two bossy, one boy, two girl. But then they all bought in a Gucci, Prada and bumbo clot, this and that. Me not know about the business, you know. But let me tell you this. My blood clot means I go stay which party the kind of boy not climb me and my wife in no money and bumbo clot paper, me not ask you. Paper, me tell you, say no boy can climb me and my wife because yo, I want thing me tell you, no found on a sodomite. And last year, I see one of the next Jamaican sodomite come out in a paper there. Say for them 4 man and 4 girl or 4 wherever they have. I do construction work. Fuck him off, rape him off, and them there court. Lose the bumbo clot case. Why you lose the case? The man a fuck this dirty stud and the thinking blood clot femme one same time. People, and them the nastiness, the Jamaican femme and butch they like for look at them don't like to work. They love to live among them means and go like say they want hype and paper, my friend. Yes. A man them a bumbo clad fuck, you see all me? Me wear my 1-1 suit them, you know. Wear my clocks them paper. Every one of them clocks them on my boy, me can't turn up firm and kick a boy in my mouth. Cause no boy never ride me for one of my clocks them yet. You see? Me see them pussy hole ya hyper everybody in a Gucci Prada bumbo clad. Jessica and the whole of them and Giorgio and the whole of them and this and bumbo clad that and Tory Birch. And the whole of them out here fuck man for them means and wants because they know how work, nothing non-ambitious freak them. Them you not choose a side all know yet, you know. Because them a use sodomite life to cover up the facts that them a want blood clot whore, you know. The whole of them a cover up this sodomite thing with yo, me a sodomite. Me a sodomite. Be a man a fuck you around there, so. But you use the blood clot sodomite and man clothes. If you say, yeah, me a sodomite. Everything what them a wear, everything what they have and everything what they own in a life, a man a fuck them and give them it. Them you no confirmation me ask, I know. Me a tell you about real sodomite, no boy can ride them girl, no time. You think a boy can come here to come tell me about yo, Camille? Say nothing about my wife post you want to tell my friend man, me have a bumbo clock 14 in my house. Me tired for telling them, me just not show a gun. Me have a 14 in my house, that's my friend. If you touch my bumbo clock, girl, you get gunshot, me not ask you. Some boy post, some of them look dirty sodomite girl where you see. I post with blood clot girl. I post with beer blood clot girl. See them here? I post. A bumbo clot lifestyle. Them a bumbo clot try live. A dirty life, them a live same way, cause guess what? Every them a walk and a be a tree some with man a suck off them bumbo clout titty. Them a suck off manhood. And now look on them your blood clot too, you know. Tree, you know. The whole blood clot lesbian community, Batman community, transvestite community, bisexual community. They're right there, sir. When you look at this, no wonder people can't take lesbian and sickness serious. Because yourself is a blood clot joke. You don't even take yourself serious. You don't even take your blood clot self serious. So all people are going to take you serious. All you look a flag no mean nothing. You see me? You don't even take your blood clot self serious. All of me, Jamaican people that sit and take you up, you know. Some girl are not real sodomite. Them, you know, then just see sodomite life and go take you up because they don't want to work. Enough of them look okay sodomite where you see boy, boy. Them a man. No go so. Them they don't believe in them that drunk, man. You see me? All this a soldier boy is a disgrace. Them a fuck you with dildo because them are a freak. As you can see, one freaky bung. Them boy up a scam, they rub their hood on you. Me Batman, me know Batman. You are one Batman. Swear. Bad man, when me look on you, brother, me say, you know, say them have a pussy. You take man for one pussy like say in our system. What you on that there? You butch girl. Butch bitch or whatever you call yourself. Stud bitch. Stem bitch. Bread tay. That it's a sodomism. A whole heap of sodomism that. And not even any girl alone in that name out pussy. Who not name off balls. Who like grape. Who not lick out pussy. Like grapefruit. Who not bumbuckler. Do everything in the bumbuckler book one time, you know. Them will put vibrator in your body wall as a man. As a man, you have them two big sodomite in your bed. Them two big sodomite, you want undercover body boy, you want big sodomite. You eternal sodomite. Right now sodomite. Big sodomite. You sodomite boy. Me going to show you how I know say I want sodomite now. Why me the want a man? As a man. As a big man. Why me don't see pretty than Camille? And me want pretty that in my bed and Camille. Me the more want fuck Camille in her mouth and in her pussy, my friend. As a general out, them would have say, yo, what pretty you doing on my bed? Where pretty you go? You want sodomite because then you don't look on pretty and know so pretty you go ram out your bum buckler rectum. Fuck out your body till it's sore. That you know say me go meds your ear. Why you down meds to fuck me and Camille? You have meds to fuck Camille. Camille look appealing for take a fuck, right? As a sodomite. Why you that take you as a sodomite man? Why you that take up me and my wife? Me look appealing for fuck here. Me look appealing for fuck. Me look like something who I want to take some odd right now. It look like my back's with odd. Me don't want to see that. You see me? Look for me eye that me not even a queen too tough. You know your soul me a look for soul. Because if you bring a cocky name and me shout it off you. You see it? So why do you sodomite blood clot butch? You know say you used to fuck down high school. No for no girl put a man close to I know the whore in behavior, you know. Dirty whore. No for no put a man close to eye so on a blood clot rub out boy, you know. Someone look up pussy and no grip on the owner they won't have a man close, you know. No for is a disrespect to blood clot gay people. No wonder Jamaica will never take gay people serious. Because when you don't even take on a fucking self serious. You as a soldier man now. Have girl a vibrator in your body hole. Be island bumbuckler rain a phone aroma and bumbuckler edible this out a body hole your fish. You sodomite boy, you want big bumbuckler fish. You and them two big sodomite. Why you don't want have them two big sodomite? One of them sodomite that alone the man them prefer. Man they want fuck with a sodomite girlfriend him. Why you want have that the man shaped in something in your bed? Yeah, boy, you can't tell me nothing. You're a batty boy. Me I tell you that straight. You a batty boy. You and them two big sodomite festival are going on the Bumbuckler house. Big sodomite festival. Oh no, for light in the street. You don't know what you want out of life, boy. You have them girl. You want to feel better as a man to one girl a fuck in your body will live. Wicked boy. Dirty boy. You know in yourself. Say that is a girl a fuck in your body wall with a strap on. You're still batty man, boy. You're still one big sodomite. You sodomite boy. You one big old sodomite. See him here. Even though it's a girl strap on in your bumbuckler body wall and a rub out the wall of your pelvis. Girl a deal with your pelvis. You so can blood clot walk. If Jamaica fi catching a one bumbuckler war now, you as a soldier, you look a bumbuckler back weak. You look a back weak. You look a back. Look a back blood clot weak. You look a back weak. Right here now, if we smoke like rapper, we bumbuckler as a Jamaican race, we love chat people and love cause problem. If we run out in our war right now, you as a soldier are going to fail us. You are going to fail us because you look back weak. The look of Sodomite girl have the whole of the silicone would rub out the whole of your pelvis. The whole of your pelvis now, grown boy. So you want looking at yourself and say, oh, it's not a man a fucking in your body hole. It's a man bitch. It's a man bitch a fuck you. He's a waste. You is a waste. And you, the two big sodomite, them two, waste. Big waste sodomy. Uno be. Nobody not send me no more of them the activity because enough of them gyal boy. What about say them are couples of the year? I be a man them a fuck for things. That's why they not take you sodomite race blood clot serious. If you touch come in, me bust my gun in your face. Me not care. Me no business about jail. Me go there already. I mean, yeah, me blood clot food and it never 100, but it never kill me. So me will pussy clot near me again, boy. You feel me? Touch me, girl, and me raw. You, bad man. Me never want to see a boy you come go on like say you're too much pussy hole. Me measure money with your bumble hole, boy. Pussy, me hungry before me bumble clot make Camille hungry. Me with blood clot starve, have a big plate of food and give my wife. And none am none. Pussy, that me I try to tell you. You can't pussy clot fuck me for nothing. You say, me hold my sodomite grounds. Me hold my bumbuckler sodomite grounds. All if I be a filler man a bumbuckler wear. And be a bumbuckler Nike. But no boy now fuck me for Gucci. No boy now touch Camille in a wolf in a blood clot Fendi and a pussy clot. None of them branded. Dior. Me a bumbuckler general. All of my clocks them when I run out in and I can run out in a them bumbuckler clean and mean because no boy never fuck me. No boy never make me ride on them bumbuckler cocky in a blood clot shoes. Now clothes. Move! No found no sodomite dirty blood clot girl make it hard for we out here. That's why they not take we serious. Because a dirty soda we like you all thinking about you boy. Go fuck man and hey, what? Hey, dirty girl bound in the house with dildo and high and bumbuckler, whip and chain and dirty people. You know dirty. All you know blood clot Amari. Mr. say you really want me attention from what you know. You make song, you call up my wife name, you carry on with yourself. You do everything in the book forget on top of my blood clot, man. You say catch me if you can. Mama, nobody no want to catch you, you know. Because every minute you want, every time you come in a social media and do this, you just do it just because you want me for blood clot box you by your mouth. You well want me for licking in your mouth because guess what now? You know, you're not hot. For what do you say your life then now go nowhere, you know, miss blood clot Amari. You say you have blue stick, you nobody not run back of your bum buckler. Yeah, you one bag of jing bang bum buckler half and pitney them because he's not a mother. Me I wonder how the government not take off your blood clot bastard them from you already. You don't even know which part the father they feed them your blood clot 17 pitney. But your bum buckler touch. I mean the 13 and the couple where you dash. Move your bum buckler from you, so mama. Mama, you look like what that we boiled bumbo clot. What? Amari? Understand. You know, them say woman empowerment this year, right? You know me gonna stop cussing. Me gonna stop cussing. Me I gonna stop. It don't look good. It don't look good, I'ma see it. Me I gonna tell you say you look like porridge, me I tell you say you look like crackers, me I gonna tell you say you look like sponge. All of them something that don't right. And you know you do it just for the attention. And me I gonna tap cuss you. Me I gonna tap cuss you. Because you want me to cuss you. And stop talking about Uzi this, Uzi that. You know, sister, nobody not turn with for your blood clot, Uzi. Nobody, if you know how cuss blood clot, she make me trace. Mama, you can't come reason with nobody over here about blood clot pussy, mama, because nobody not come this and stay. Mama, here all coming like a bus stop to blood clot people go there so for a minute or a blood clot second and flank down something and gab about them business. Mama, stop talking about people on the internet because your body don't look right. Mama, you say you go to bypass and all. No, me not see you suck out the fat them. Then excuse her. You, mama, you have your one bag of blood clot, jing bang, forbidden, pussy clot, pitney them when you have up there because you have one brown and up the ugly blood clot like you know. With our blood clot, I'm a head shark mouth. Mama, your mouth broad. Like for your mama. Me not ask your blood clot. Amari and I like beard, I don't know how you want to come for me. Mama, every time I shower, see them sneeze. I never know say shower could have sneeze. Mama, every time I see how allergy rise, Benadryl can stay up on blood clot shelf. Move your bumper clot. You make pretty enough to lift on thumbs and you not tell nobody and just can't stay down and miss smack. Oh, you see when I go in a bumper clot, a beer cream soda I buy for blood clot, I have 3 black candles in this, and I put your 2 pictures them over it. You in the black blood clot, bling bling, asylum just so you wear for 3 blood clot days, like you walk through the desert 40 days and 40 nights. You move like your blood clot, at as boy, and your blue wing, mama go take off the plastic there. I want to catch your blood clot and light one of them plastic will make you burn and melt for your bumper clot and strip off the rest of that the blood clot skin there for your bone. Mama, your bone eat your skin. So every time your skin try to touch your bone move. Your body sagging a bumper clot. Mama, you look like one wet rag per line. Ling, Bill. Woman empowerment, cause this here joke thing. How are this? You see, Una support Ling with the 4 creator. Yo, me not do it. Yo. Hey, that's a dirty girl. Yo, me not laugh, but I want them for this still. Me not laugh, I don't know the pussy one, but he go on. The one that ram me 40 days and 40 nights. Yo, as I say, woman empowerment, you know. Yeah. Then move your bumper clot. I'm at my reason with Amari. Amari, from what you get too much. You get plenty no bumper clot, mama. You coming like the bungalow time, them down a bumper clot town for $20 a bungle, mama. Nothing at the 5 o'clock day. You know, from what you call up my name, lava name, world dog name, we not meds you. Well, you not call my name because you know a blood clot better come here all blood clot pan of shit, you know. This year the 1973 fridge boy, yeah. Me no hold nothing because right now all the blood clot magnet in a meat wear out the bumper clot. So you know say anything you put in a me spoil, you know. Yes, good day. Mama, me not ask you blood clot every day you call up lava name to the man at top, man. Me not ask you. Lava no walk and spread out the cocky like him a throw card and give fall because him know you are one blood clot fall. You call lava name, you call my name. I know me never blood clot touch you yet, mama. Mama, me would have never blood clot touch you. Nobody in my circle could have never run against blood clot you. Mama, what time I look for you, you look like the bumper clot sponge them in a Dollar Tree where we use wash plate. Scotch Brite on this side, sponge on this side. You need to move your bumper clot and rest blood clot Facebook, Instagram and blood clot YouTube. Everywhere we turn, it's blood clot you. We look, you sing. Nah, blood clot boss. Be a bumper clot gimmicks. Yes, pretty than no one turn no man. The boy born as a blood clot. For that, I don't ask you good day. I thump on mad you in a girl, but when I push blood clot, that look something there and something more like you. As we told Dovey, you don't have a suckled mouth. You don't have a bumper clot suckled mouth, so we not look for meds here throat. We not meds here fratty mouth corner because you can't talk and deal no man. Chill out. You know you need a spliff. Come in, if you're up on the life, you want to join, come leave the game. You feel deal, man. Relax. Chill out. Chilling. Hold back. Easy. Easy yourself, bad man. Because I want to walk. But then move your blood clot. Come here. I wonder why you don't want me to talk. People, you don't know that look stubborn body woman you go on bad from what here. Mama, your body shape like busy before it greater. Me nah, you know something? Lady, why you always do this? Mama, show you see Easter come and you shape like one blood clot HTB bun. I must show you shape like one blood clot HTB bun, mama. Taste the cheese now, use it this year. A prestige bun one. Move your bumbo clot from here so one go over one corner over the stuff we're licking in your blood clot, yes, corner wet rag. Go from here so your favor one wet towel. Your favor one wet towel where we put in a corner with dry clothes and it mildew. What? You come like one bag of pussy clutch. Ling. Jesus Christ. Come. Hey, come. Easy. Yeah. Uno forget tell Ling when it done, you know. You know me alone. You say, don't move your bum buckle. I don't want to weed. Mama, you see the time when you go into the studio, go record them like a blood clot, flat out fucker song there. You need to go feed your pitney them, because remember say you are the woman who fry egg with water. I never see that yet. Two of your pot them blood clot, that you know say it them the pot they absorb the oil. Absorb. So you just put it up on the chew a little water in and a fry egg. Mama, you need something. Mama, stop sell the food stamp them a month time. Yes, the government bless you with $500 worth of food every month, and God bless the $400 where you send it for. You have to stop it. You come on the internet hungry, every blood clot there, you can't them ever look musty and cranny. Amari clean your bumbo clot house because I don't like see it. You're a big woman who claim to say you're a celebrity and be a blood clot Chinatown clothes you wear. I'm tired of your dirty belt, them. I'm tired of your blood clot. What a platform shoes them not a platform, them are 4th floor. Me don't know where you get them 4th floor shoes from, but them 4th floor shoes they grab me. Them a skate underneath my foot and I drop me right from my blood clot back. I'm tired of them. You say your butter, you say your outta, you say your this, you say your boss. Lego Spice blood clot shirt, because Spice to see you. I'm not supposed to see you neither, but you continue coming on my eye region. Move your bumbo clot, because you're not going to ever get put on. Dancehall here, boy, a long time, and dancehall not receive it, because you're not worthy of blood clot, Nico. You're going to mash up dancehall life, and we don't receive you. You better continue to take the look at 10 and look at this and look at that, where you get off a Nico, where you say gone million views. Move from pussy clot here, so mama, you shape like one upside down triangle. You look a girl, you favor one quadrilateral. Move your bumbo clot, me eat your clothes, them, because nothing where you put on can steady for your body. Ling. Jesus Christ. Hey, mommy, you know say you will blame for this? You know me should have about my blood clot business and Ling there. Come, me don't know why. Weird. Ling, chill. Bad man. Easier said, man. Jesus can make me breathe. So and me can you not ease up. This is me I do. Come chill out, man. Fuck it, girl. Hey. Easy now. Yo, stop it. People, we are dealing with empowerment, right? Right. Empowerment. Yes! You know blood clot, Dovey, me not meds done. I open the meds him neither, because I look like him I got to a midlife crisis. You know Dovey, what they done come here so come reason with you, but then come reason with you in a good fashion, good day. Me don't understand you. Mommy, this, that, whatever people are calling, come here say, have a look at sons of people are calling, mommy boy. Yeah. Look for your condition of freakiness where you say you have a run round on the blood clot internet, your mama. With the whole of the mascara run down in the crookedness of your eye corner down there, so mama. And your blood clot mouth corner, your tongue white like cloud to bumbo clot. Me I wonder what kind of girl this. Mama, you look like your tongue been doing a century down here like you want vampire. Return of the blood clot vampire diary. Yes, Buffy the bumbo clot white tongue slayer, because I don't know how you Mama, how you expect say you go drying people boy pitney with them the caliber tongue there. You can see say the whole which part the blood clot tongue ring need to go in a bus out the amount of cocky where you have a road for that the road there. Mama, me not ask your blood clot. I understand say boy would for suck, but me not see you keep no boy so where you go with. Mama, yes when you suck blood clot would hold the ring. Because you pop out the whole of the blood clot hole in the tongue. The tongue stretch out. The tongue do it time. Rest the tongue now. Rest the blood clot tongue. The whole of we a girl boy you a freak. The whole of we there boy you a freak. No boy no want a white tongue. No boy no want a white tongue. The only time tongue for white one time him come up and down pan that. When him bust in your blood clot mouth, no bust. What? You do that after somebody bust in your blood clot throat or something? Because to your blood clot tongue white me feel like the white line in the road. Me bumper clot me wonder say no sir. No, it's either you did hungry, because you see when you're hungry, you see them white, heavy spit there, left them whiteness the pan tongue, you did hungry, no blood clot, Dovey, me not ask you. Dovey, you did blood clot, hungry, me not ask you, me not gonna pressure my throat whole boy, but everybody sees hungry did that kill you. Hungry did that kill you because your tongue white, no blood clot. Nobody boy pitney never come in your mouth because you see you just come off a blood clot stage. You can't say you go up there hungry. You can go up and say you should have dropped down up there like blood clot highway. You should have dropped down up there, love a ground. Your blood clot. Yo, people, yo, me cut the foot. Yo, that girl I want drunk. I want to deal with this. Yo, I want to deal with this. Yeah. Yes, that one the touch. That one the touch. Right, people? Good day. Yeah. Me not eat Dovey good day. Me not eat Dovey, you know. Let me tell her Dovey eat herself because she continue to behave like that. Me not have a time for eat a girl. And the behavior when mama come with all the while and I don't like it because she stop it. You have to fucking stop it and you know. You not tap it, you have to fucking tap it. Drunk crow. Drunk crow, you have to tap me. Now I go do this for straight. Where? Mama said, Mama some man. Mama, you can't see say your tongue. Stretch. And every day me I suck pussy in the room. They look how my tongue don't rub out yet. You like my tongue not start use yet. They all short. It all short. So I tell me I wonder how I keep coming. Look here. Me I wonder how I keep coming sometimes, people. I don't understand. Yeah, mama go with herself around there. Mama said she come over see that she just hang out too. Mama fight, you know. Mama carry on with her like a self people. You don't know I'm not gonna do this. You don't stop it. You don't know. Anyway, people, we are gonna burn this now. So, you know. Hey, no sir. You know what I wanted to drape me doing doves? Hey, you don't have no behavior. So I want people me there an idea. So what else me miss? If me miss something to tell me, you know. What did I miss? Yeah, then just come and jump off my things. Tell me now. Me interact with people now, so what? You can't talk to me too. Doves! I can't do this with doves. Doves not even. Mama not eat. Hey, you're not easy. You're not easy, yeah, mama. You're not blood clot easy at all. What happened? Yo, feel it sweet, man. I wine out, come belly in there. And then one girl rough up my wife. I never did too like that one, so I don't post a video there at all. I never like how she wine for my wife, so I don't post it. I don't know if she done that liquor or what, but I never meds her. Because I shoot people for my wife. You see what I did? After I see that, I just hold up on my wife and Andrea come over here. So I know one of them things that is that kind of sodomite relationship where you can just wind up on my wife. You see? Yeah, man. I say, come, you come over right here. So I come right on my left foot because they need up on my right foot. So I say, yo, hey, come over here, so come here. I know what I post I want because you know me a junker there. You see what I did? Made it easy for chipping there. You see me? I say, what kind of style that? Yeah, man. You see me a day, don't touch me, girl, bad man. You see? Yeah, man. What's up? Feeling it nice. Party ram. People they love it down your fuck. You see? Yeah, man. I make sure I say anywhere I host, I stop and I take picture. Everybody will watch me at daytime, I make sure I stop. Take picture. And look at police pass me with my ganja in my hand here, so. Stop, take picture with me. You see it? Yeah. And I say, what? They must have done. I love you. I say, me too. I love you too. I love you too. What do you mean jealous? Then I'm my girl, brother. I'm not supposed to jealous of me, girl. Cut and paste, rush me. Cut, brother, fill in my place. That's first of all. Big up the whole job top. The job top team, you don't know how it go. Big up Breeze. You see me? Rush oh, Philly at my place. You see me? We run out Philly. Remember when I say, yo, what time when I said Philly? I want the bomb buckler, the whole like mad dog them. You see? I want to you, man. No joke. I want to you. Lava knows that if me I go rush down a bad mixture this weekend. Remember say I come to Florida this weekend with the one whole heap of talk in your lava. You see, anytime you come a bad mixture, a big fight between me and you. No gun, no draw, because we are breaching, you know. We also make a ring. Real dog, yeah, referee. You boy lava, me I show you how me deal with boy. You lava, this week a bad mixture. Lava, you know era referee, because you know era shot. So, hero this. Hero, I referee. Like Martal come back with me and your blood clot down a bad mixture. One time the man say yo fight, me just a jump over here a blood clot foot them. When me jump over here a foot them so you know. Right in your stomach, man. Right in your blood clot stomach. A bad mixture right there. Yeah. Yes, well dog, you are the referee when me go thump down lava. Because lava thinks that I'm a pussy. Watch me and your bad mixture. In my place you come. You come in my place, you. In my place you come. Lava, me show you a thing. You better hope. You better hope hero hold me. That me I tell you. You better hope hero hold me. Alright. Because any hero no hold me, one on the right hand. Bow! You see me? Bow! You see it? Bow! Yeah, man. Make sure some me gonna clock your shit way back. You see me? When me bum buckler gear right and your whole shit I ease back, you see me? Yeah man, spit a fly out of your blood clot mouth. Lava me a bad man. You think of me? And you me see a dance up and down on Instagram with merch in your hand like Santa Claus. Go! Me a bad man. You a merch man. Merch man, bad man. Merch man, bad man. You a merch man. Merch, bad man. Merch man. Bad man, merch man, bad man, me, generalist. You get the security bag for wall. Actually, the security is a fool. I would have run out with the little idiot merch them. I make you have to go down and go ball. Like when look a girl pitney. I would have just take away your wall and you look a merch them. Because this is the only way you can make lava ball, you know. Slap him up and take away fucking merch them from him. I go and clear out every merch you can come to Florida for sell. You a bad mixture? Just watch. This week. Bad mixture. This weekend. Era birthday. You know how it go. Me and Lava. Big fight. Round of that. Make sure una dead. Pay for this. Because me go thump down that in front of all of una Era premises. A Era. You can't top me for a thump down blood clot Lava because my style me too long now. Too long. Watch me and him blood clot. I go kick down lava. Lava. Me a come in lava. Me a bad man anywhere me go. The whole New York can't tell you that. Philly can't tell you that. MD can't tell you that. Georgia can't tell you. Alright. Done talk to you.